Hello, let's see what this new generator have and what we can do with this. First of all, you should import this into your Substance Painter, and then you can add the black mask. After black mask, you can add a generator. So you can choose that from the generators, and then after that, you can use the random to use different seeds. And then we have 4 modes that we can use. Everything you want. So we have only a scratch, only dirt, scratch, and dirt, and you can change the resolution of this map into 2048 or everything you want. So you can set it, and then you have a scratches amount that you can add more or add less scratches. After that, you can use advanced scratch setting, and then you can modify this whatever you want, as you see. So we can use this level to increase the contrast of this. After that, we have a scratch tile that we can actually make it smaller or make it bigger. Then we have a scratch white that you can set actually thickness of your scratches. Then you have a scratch length, so you can increase the length of the scratches. Then we have the contrast, and increase its strongness, maybe strength. Then we have a scratch wrap that it can help really much. So then we have dirt control, so we have the mix of the dirt and the scratch. Then we have different dirts, as you see, that we can choose from here. Then we have the level of dirt, that you can increase the strength of your dirt into your scene. Then we have the luminosity and the tile of the dirt that you can make it smaller or bigger. Then we have the general mask that we can add 3 different type of masks. Then you have position gradient, you have the maps and the custom maps that you can add your custom maps here. In the predefined map, you have some masks that you can modify from here, the contrast and the blur, and you can invert this. So as you see, I can use different masks. And then we have custom maps. So I have imported another map here, so you can do it too. So we're gonna to import the new maps here. Then we have level of mask here in even custom maps that it can help us to mix them together. As you see, we have tile of the mask. The next thing, we have another thing. We want to how to mix 2 maps together. All in all, we have 2 maps. So we have custom and we have predefined. The predefined are general shapes that you can see. So we have amount of pattern that we can increase its pattern. Then we have advanced setting that we can add it to rapid. Actually, it can be help us. So it's unlimited. You can add even 1000. Then we have the first map level that we can actually define the mid-tones mixture. Then you have a scatter. You can random size on your scattering these shapes. As you see, you can have Y and X. Then we have random rotation, that is like the function is like the random scale, that the options is like together, the setting that you can change. As you see, we have the level of random rotate and orientation. Then we have random brightness, and then we have the random brightness. So now we have a level of division. So we have 1, 3, and 4. This can help us to see how they're going to be mixed. It's very interesting, I think. So we can have the bigger detail if you use even warp. So we have the second map that it's exactly have the same options as the first map that we mixed it together. So as you see, I add this as a custom map, so you see how it's going to be mixed. It's interesting, really. So we have amount of pattern, rapid, warp it, I mean. Then we have mount up pattern. In the blending, it's really important. It's going to be say how they're going to be mixed together. So you have must actually subtract, multiply, overlay, soft light, hard light, everything you have in Substance Painter or Photoshop blending mode. So we can add how to going to be blending mode. We can predefine or custom. As you see, I'm playing with this, so you can do exactly as what I do. Then we have masks parameters that they can help us to randomize the mask setting. Then we have custom blending mask that it can be interesting. After that, we can general mask that we can assign to them. In general, we can we have the general setting of the final map. It means you do not need to go into this first and second. You can all modify the final map using here. So I hope you enjoy. Goodbye.